Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is a very quick tutorial on how to get a sleeky straight wig. This wig's from our collection. Please ignore how big it is as it's not made for my head size. Okay, so I'm just going to use the Pureology Strength Cure Spray, spray this all over the hair, and then use the Tresemme Heat Defense Spray. Make sure the hair is fully protected. The next product is the BioSilk. You need a tiny amount of this as we're just going to be putting it on section by section. And apply this from mid-lengths to ends. Next, you'll need your straighteners and a comb. I'll link all the products that I've used today in the description below. Okay, so you want to make sure the hair has no knots in it first, and then you're going to place the comb into the hair and the straighteners just above the comb and go down slowly. Make sure that you're doing very small sections. I like to do it one track at a time. Don't forget to add the BioSilk to every section. Okay, and just repeating the process, you just want to keep the straighteners above the comb and just go nice and slow. Okay, keep doing the same thing until you reach the top section of the hair. So I have sped this video up so you're not watching it for too long, but I'm just going to carry on with the hair and then I'll show you in more detail how to do the front. Okay, so now you're at the top track, you just want to make sure that you go as close as you can to the roots and then work your way slowly down to the ends. Add in that BioSilk because we want the hair to be nice, soft and shiny. Okay, so when you get to the frontal or closure, you want to use a wax stick. I like to use the Kira Claire. So I pick up very thin sections of the hair and then I like to straighten it first and then I'll go in with the wax stick and the hot comb. So you can see when I get to the top of the hair, I put the comb in first and make sure I have the section and then I straighten it. Okay, so apply that wax stick to the root and then go in with the hot comb. Okay, so when I use a hot comb, I like to go in with the tooth comb section first and then I'll use the back of the hot comb to make it nice and flat. When I get to the top section of the hair, I'll show you how to do it in more detail. Okay, so just keep repeating this process until you get to the top of the hair. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel because I'll be sharing a lot more helpful, useful tips and tricks. Okay, so we got to the top section of the hair now, so I'm going to go in a bit more detail on how you position the comb. So the way that I do it is I put the comb section into the hair and then I use the back of the hot comb to flat it down, as you can see in this video. Hey! So I hope you enjoyed that video and it gave you all the information that you needed. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll put all the products and tools that I used in the description. So if you have any other questions, just let me know. Please remember that this wig is way too big for me. But such a nice wig though.